Hello from Gordon Marketing. We want to talk to you about Agency Builder. I'm Joshua Powell.
Okay, that's not how we're starting. So Agency Builder Workshop is a very serious investment of your time. It costs money and it takes time. So it's not for people that are like, I don't know what I want to do. It's for people that really know what they want to do. They want to grow their business. And there's no place else in the nation you can go to get this. Now, I am making a little light of it. So I did give Joshua my wig.
My wife has said she was rubbing my bald spot the other day, and Gordon Marketing helped me get this much hair this quick.
In all seriousness, there's nobody else doing something like
There's
this.
not.
And everybody that's gone to one has said, I wish I would have gone to this years ago. And so if you're that person that's sitting there going, I like how my business is growing organically. We're getting growth every year. But how do I get to the next level? I'm kind of stuck. This is where you can get to the next level.
Absolutely. So many agencies out there talk about wanting to be us, wanting to grow like this, and they have no idea. They have no idea the steps it takes. And once they learn them, they're like, whoa, watch out. That's too much.
Yes,
Or
some people are like, I don't want to be that big.
Or they're like, that's exactly what I want to do, but I need your help. And we can do both ways. But you don't know.
So we're doing several of them this year.
Mm-hmm.
So where are we going?
We are going to Fort Lauderdale at the end of January. We are going to
fabulous Phoenix, Arizona.
in the end of February. And at the beginning of March, next to our hometown, we'll be in Carmel.
Yeah, so if you have questions about the itinerary, you can go to gordonmarketing.com and see the class schedule and the presenters. If you would like for us to do one in your area next year, hit me up in the comments and tell me why. We got to have at least 20 people that are interested in that area for us to come, and we'll go anywhere. So
Absolutely. Why do you think other agencies aren't doing things like this?
I've been told that people don't want to train their competitors.
Okay, I was going to say, I think they're scared too.
I'm not scared. There's enough business to go around. I mean, there's so
Agreed.
many people out there. We can help each other. Basically, lay it all out. It's completely transparent. Here's the money. Here's the rules. Here's the back dealer dealing. And here's the stuff that people aren't telling you that's
Right.
really happening. And it's a great time.
We're not afraid to do that. That's the beauty of what Sylvia said is sometimes it's not as pretty as we want it to be.
But it gets prettier!
Yeah, sometimes it's just not. But we want you to know the facts, and it matters to us. So whether you need hair or you want to build an agency, Gordon Marketing can help.
Thanks for watching.
Hey, if you love my sister's videos, you're gonna love my videos all about the under 65 market. Hey, check them out.